Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Aaron and this is For the Love of Tech. You are here because you love technology and I'm here because I love technology and, well, I like making YouTube videos and you happen to like watching YouTube videos all about technology. If that's the thing you're into, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Maybe if you like the video, hit that thumbs up button. Or if you really like the video, please go ahead and share my content with your friends and family on social media. And today we are digging into the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G, and we got some cases for that phone today. Let's go ahead and see what we actually have. Now, my friends over at UAG, stands for Urban Armor Gear, sent me a couple cases to go ahead and review. Let's go ahead and get those out right now. Right here, my friends over at Rinky actually sent me a care package a while ago, and in there was this phenomenal terry cloth. This microfiber cloth helps keep my phone looking great in between me touching it for you guys, so it looks amazing. So if you are looking for a amazing microfiber cloth big enough to play peekaboo, or you want to dry your car off. The thing's huge is my whole point. Today we are going to go ahead and look at some Urban Armor Gear cases. We have the Plasma, which, as you know and I know, is one of my favorites. And we also have the new one, the Civilian. And I love the Civilian. I rock it on my iPhone 11 Pro Max. I use it. I think it feels great, looks great. Can't even say enough good things about the Civilian. I want them to have a Plio. I don't think they had a Plio available when I was looking online. They probably will come out with more later, so keep your eye out there, because when they come out, I'll probably do a review and reveal for you guys. Here's the trusty unboxing knife, but we don't need that today because these open up super easy peasy. And let's go ahead and take a look at them, and I will share with you what some of my favorite features are about Urban Armor Gear. First and foremost, we have what I like to call raised edges. Look at that. So that way when your phone goes straight down like that, like wapow, it actually is raising your phone and the screen off the table. So that way it doesn't really have any impact. That's what I love. They have precision cutouts for everything. Look at this. Look at these buttons. And you can kind of see at the edge there, you can see through it. And the reason you want to see through it is you want to be able to actually protect the button and press the button at the same time. Now, I also enjoy a good old OtterBox case. However, disclaimer, buttons on OtterBox cases are a little harder to push, which is why I prefer Urban Armor Gear over OtterBoxes. The other thing, if you go ahead and take a look, they have a little bit of a gap in the middle there, almost like a bit of an air cushion to protect your device. Now here, there's also this indentation that you can see it and feel me go over it, which means that your surface of your device is not completely covered all the way throughout, which means if there's force, it distributes it appropriately and it doesn't take a hard impact on the whole entire thing, and your device, your glass sandwich, has a better chance of surviving a fall. And I know what you're thinking. You're thinking a fall? A drop? Are we gonna do a drop test today? Is that what we're gonna do? Are we gonna oh my God, are we gonna, did I just break my phone? No, I didn't, we're safe. So that is what all of you out there, all of you hater people, or say, that's a weak drop. We need a better drop. We want you to see you break your phone. Well, I'm here to tell you, I'm not gonna break my phone, but we are gonna get a little bit more aggressive with the drops in just a minute, so don't go anywhere. Another thing I wanna go ahead and point out about the Plasma is you can see, visibly see, that your camera hump has literally, it is dissolved and it does not exist. Nice and flush. The phone by itself, this is Samsung's design, we don't have anything to do with it. There's a giant humpy hump, see? Doesn't matter, giant humpy hump. Put the case on, no camera hump, so that's another big bonus. Good job, Urban Armor Gear. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Civilian. I absolutely love how easy it is to get these cases out of the box, because there are some manufacturers out there where you gotta fight with the packaging to get your product out of the box, and I just think that's whack. Look at this, there's some sort of inscription on the inside. It's got the Urban Armor Gear logo inside, which is pretty nice, pretty crafty. And then it says it right there as well, Urban Armor Gear. Very tasteful, if you ask me. Over here on the plasma, we have impact resistant and feather light armor shell. So that's what this is. So this gives you some good solid protection. But over here, when we are looking at the civilian, it has shock absorbing soft core, impact resistant bumpers, feather light armor shell. So we've got a couple more adjectives here. Over here, we have the honeycomb surface, which is soft, kind of not really gel, but it's soft. Whereas this, the outside, it's hard. I can't even say anything bad about this. I love the little orange accent there. I love it more than anything. This color for me is okay. Personally, I would have enjoyed a black, a white even, a dark navy blue, but I went with this color because it was new to me and I haven't got it yet and I wanted to try it out. And sometimes I get colors and I don't know that I like them until I actually use them, and it grows on me a little bit and I'm like, oh, I do like that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and keep it. So now we're gonna go ahead, and I told you don't go anywhere. We're gonna get a little bit more aggressive on our drop tests. Don't go anywhere. All right, guys, there you go. The Urban Armor Gear, both cases safely protected my Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus Ultra. Boy, is that a mouthful. 5G! It's 5G, even though I don't have 5G. The phone's 5G. So it protected my phone. No damages, no scrapes, no cracks. I feel extremely confident it will protect my phone and it will protect your phone. If you liked the video today and you want to go ahead and see more content like this and you don't want to miss anything, go ahead and subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell. If you really like the video, give me a thumbs up. And if you love my video and you want to help spread the news for the love of tech, then go ahead and, well, share my content with your friends and family on social media. I really appreciate it. If you were here in person, I'd give you a big, fat, sweaty, sloppy, gross handshake. That's what I would give you. A sweaty, gross, sloppy handshake. Maybe not. Maybe I'll wash my hands first. Make sure you're washing your hands. Protect yourself. Protect your friends. Protect your family. Protect your loved ones. And for the love of tech, till next time, namaste.